So now what I'm going to talk about is something that is very important, but I would not like to spend too much time on this. It is about respect and honor given to pastors and men of God. You see, this is supposed to be very simple and very clear to Christians, because this is to Christians. You see, it has become very common now. It has become very common for people to talk about men of God, insult men of God, castigate them, condemn what they do, and all that. Sometimes I just imagine what is happening. The one that is so painful is when someone who claims or calls himself a Christian comes out to be doing these things. It is so appalling. It is so disappointing. A Christian, you say you are a Christian and it's not difficult for you to castigate or condemn a man of God. There are different pastors, different men of God, different ministries. For some of us, even as I am today, there are some that I do not understand. When they do, I don't understand what they are doing. Some of them, they exhibit or express powers that one may not understand where it's coming from. But the right thing to do, what some of us do, which we know is right, is to look away and give way until the day we become very clear that this person is not a pastor or a man of God as he claims to be. But in most cases, God does not even bother himself to reveal to you, to talk to you about such. That is how funny it is. That is why you don't see one man of God come to the screen. Those you even call those men, those big men of God, so to say, that you even come on air, or you find any other means to castigate, because you believe they have become so big, and thereby, since they do these things, since they do A, you expect them to be doing B, and they are not doing B, and because of that, you talk about them and all that. If you take a look at most of those ones you talk about, you see they are not talking about you. They are not talking about things. If they don't believe in something, they don't talk about them. You don't see them castigate governments, at least not too quick. How much more other men of God? Even the ones they know this person is looking odd and this one is not, his ways, we don't understand. I don't understand this one. You still don't see them coming up to castigate such persons. Because it is not a ministry. Castigating a man of God is not a ministry that God gives to another man of God. It's not a ministry. So for those who even say they are not men of God, but they are just saying the truth, preaching to people, I don't understand that kind of office or whatever that is. Castigating men of God. If you hear me, a lot of the things I'll say will appear as though I may appear as though I am not with any of these men of God, because it may be so different from what they preach. At some point, what I even say may look as if I am speaking against them or what they have taught so far. It doesn't change anything. It doesn't mean I am against them. I cannot dishonor men of God. It is not going to be seen in me.